Human Rights Day. Observed by the international community each year on December 10th, Human Rights Day commemorates the adoption of the Universal Declaration of Human Rights. This historic document was created by the General Assembly of the United Nations in 1948 as a common standard of achievement for all peoples. The Declaration is now the world's most downloaded document. It has been translated into more than 500 languages and has served as a foundation for expanding the protection of human rights. The document also serves as a guide for individuals to exercise their rights. In the past, human rights were restricted, and the full benefits of humanity were not realized. The Universal Declaration of Human Rights was created to break the barriers that once prevented a person from experiencing his or her full liberty. The document outlines 30 basic human rights. The Declaration was created by representatives of all legal traditions and regions. The Declaration was inspired by the former First Lady Eleanor Roosevelt. The document was drafted between January 1947 and December 1948. The United Nations has played a crucial role in advancing human rights. The organization works to advance the rights of women, children, and other vulnerable groups in the world. The organization has also launched a variety of initiatives to promote a more peaceful and equitable world. On Human Rights Day, the United Nations invites all countries to celebrate this day and to reaffirm their commitment to the rights of all. The organization has also created an online audiovisual event on December 10th to highlight innovations to build a better world. Like this video and remember to subscribe.